Welcome back to KAGS News at 6. Time to take a look at your weather. And really, today was kind of a carbon copy of yesterday. We started off in the upper 70s, and then throughout the afternoon, we saw those showers start to pop up across the area. Really diminished at this point. We have one little cell of activity in the western parts of Madison County. Have a couple little spots of showers here in Bryan College Station, Brazos Valley area. And then again, Washington County seeing just a little bit of activity at this hour. Going to zoom in on a couple of spots here, and you see some possibly consistent rainfall there in the western parts of Brazos County up into Robertson County. But again, this is light, probably maybe we'll say moderate rainfall. It's consistent, but it's just not very heavy, and it's probably not going to lead to huge totals. And unfortunately, if you live in Bryan College Station, day 2, and we missed the boat again on the rain. Hopefully, though, we still have a couple of more chances for rainfall over the next couple of days. Hopefully, we can get something in there for our official records at Easterwood Airport. Main activity right now, the strongest storms are down in the Houston area right now in Harris County. And the southern tip of Austin County right there. That's where we're seeing the most consistent, heaviest rainfall at this hour. Again, just not a lot for us right now. And as we put it in motion, everything diminishing as it moves from southwest and northeast. Again, the question will be if any of that activity from Austin County can make it far enough north to give us any benefit. And I just don't see that really happening because, again, we're going to start fighting the sun as we head through the next couple of hours. So as far as the totals from today, again, about a half inch in parts of Burleson County and Washington County. As I move out of the way, over 2 inches in the eastern parts of Waller County there, or Grimes County. So that's about what we've been dealing with today. Not a huge amount of rain, but again, beneficial in the fact that it's not severe, but we are seeing rainfall in several areas that definitely needed it. But again, over the last 6 hours, watch everything kind of break apart here as we head towards the 6 o'clock hour. Again, we started off with those pop-up showers. Right now, though, not a lot of activity to speak of. And as we head towards fireworks time later on tonight, I expect for that activity to be gone pretty much by about 8 o'clock over the next couple of hours. Put it back in motion by 9 o'clock. Here's your fireworks show. Mostly clear, partly cloudy skies. And then by 10 o'clock, as those shows are ending, same story. Now let's fast forward to tomorrow because, like I said, we have multiple chances here to see more rain. Partly cloudy to start your day for your Wednesday, and then here comes the showers. Here's 2 o'clock. Back in motion 3 o'clock, bubbling up again on that sea breeze, moving from south to north. By about 4 o'clock, we see the activity hopefully centered over Brazos County because if there's one spot that hasn't really seen anything the last couple of days, it's those of us here in Bryan College Station. It would be nice, though, to get it tomorrow after the Independence Day holiday, of course. And then by 5 o'clock, moving into our northern counties, 7:30, seeing that activity come to an end again as the sun starts to go down. It's 92 out there right now. However, it does feel like it's 99, so still muggy across the area. Lower 90s, upper 80s in several locations right now. So again, more reasonable heat. This is where we're supposed to be for this time of the year, and that's about all you can ask for on the 4th of July. It does, again, feel like it's close to 100 in most locations, though, at this hour. And then as we head towards those fireworks shows tonight, let's talk about it real quick. By 8 o'clock, how about 90, 86, and then 84, again, as those shows are ending. And you'll notice on this little map, there is no mention of rain over the course of the evening. And then for the rest of your 7-day forecast, I got real bad news for you. After those next couple of rain chances, that heat dome moves back in, and those triple digits are back here to stay.